Most people think tiredness just happens randomly. You stay up late, you feel groggy, you blame the coffee, the stress, the schedule. But here's what almost nobody realizes. Your body is running on a strict internal timetable, and every time you ignore it, you're fighting a system that's been fine-tuned by millions of years of evolution. This is called your circadian rhythm, and understanding it might be the single most underrated tool for your energy, your focus, and your long-term health. So, what actually is it? Your circadian rhythm is a roughly 24-hour internal clock that controls when you feel awake, when you feel sleepy, when your body releases certain hormones, and even when your body temperature rises and falls. It's run by a tiny cluster of brain cells called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, a control center that sits right above where your optic nerves cross, so it can constantly monitor one thing: light. Light is the master signal. When light hits your eyes in the morning, it tells this brain region it's daytime, and that kicks off a chain reaction. Cortisol rises to wake you up. Body temperature increases, digestion speeds up. Your brain becomes sharper. Then, as light fades in the evening, your brain starts releasing melatonin, the hormone that tells every cell in your body it's time to slow down. Here's the problem. Modern life completely breaks this system. We stare at bright screens late at night, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, delaying melatonin release by up to 3 hours. We wake up to alarms in the dark, skipping the natural light signal your body needs to feel alert. We eat at random hours, work irregular shifts, and stay indoors under artificial light all day. Every one of these habits sends confusing signals to that internal clock. And the result is poor sleep, low energy, brain fog, and over time, actual damage to your metabolism and immune system. So, how do you fix it? First, get sunlight within 30 to 60 minutes of waking up. Even 5 to 10 minutes outside tells your brain the day has started and helps set your entire 24-hour cycle. Second, dim your lights and avoid bright screens an hour before bed. If you can't avoid screens, at minimum, lower the brightness. This reduces the delay in melatonin release. Third, try to wake up and go to sleep at consistent times, even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm thrives on consistency. Inconsistent sleep schedules confuse it the same way jet lag does, even if you never left your city. Here's what's wild. This single system doesn't just control sleep. It regulates when your body is best at physical performance, when your memory consolidates information, when your immune system is most active, and even when medications work most effectively. Scientists now believe some medical treatments could work significantly better, depending on the time of day they're administered. That's how deeply this clock touches nearly every function in your body. Your body isn't broken when you feel tired at the wrong time, or wired when you should be sleeping. It's just responding to signals. And once you understand what those signals are, you can start working with your biology instead of against it. If this changed how you think about your sleep, hit subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down why some people are natural night owls and others are early birds. Comment below, what time do you usually go to sleep? I want to see how different everyone's schedule really is, and I'll reply to as many as I can. If this helped you understand your own body a little better, hit like. It helps this reach more people who are exhausted and don't know why. See you in the next one.